Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. We are students from Bachelor of Science with Education, major Biology, and in this video, my group members and I will be sharing about the making of our hydraulic model based on the application of Pascal principle under the topic pressure. So here are the expenses of our material. We only purchased the syringe and the skewers, and the other materials are either recycled or perhaps brought from home. And we did not expend that much money for the model. And here are the problems faced by the teachers, or one of the main reasons why we made this model is because students would often have a hard time in understanding the concept, and sometimes teachers would often explain the concept in a vague, unclear way, and hence this will result in student misunderstanding the formula, and sometimes they would misunderstood the location of area within the formula, and therefore we made this model to help both the students and teachers. And here is the making of our stem tissue model. As you can see, we begin by measuring the cardboard parts. We then cut the cardboards using knife and scissors. After that, we begin to assembling all of the hydraulic parts by the assistance of our hot glue gun. And then finally we finish by testing the hydraulic model. And we are finally done.
Hydraulic is so important as it has been applied widely in human daily life. By understanding hydraulic systems, humans are able to create machines that are capable of moving heavier loads as well as providing greater force than mechanical, electrical, or pneumatic systems. The fluid power system means it can easily cope with a large weight range without having to use gears, pulleys, or heavy levers. Applications of hydraulic system in daily life includes crane, car jacks, aircraft, office chair, and also brake.
Then, this model involves Pascal's principle. The basic formula for Pascal's principle is P is equal to F over A. P stands for pressure, F stands for force, and A stands for area. For this hydraulic model, its formula is F2 over F1 equal to A2 over A1. Then, how is it works? A hydraulic system works by applying force at one point to an incompressible liquid, which sends force to a second point. The process involves two pistons that are connected by an water-filled tube. Based on the picture, F1 is exerted on the first string and F2 is exerted on the base of the hydraulic. Then A1 is at the surface of the piston on the first string and A2 is at the skewer that attach together with the second string. The force exerted on the A1 will flow through the fluid inside the string and tube to the A2. The force exerted on the A2 is the same with the A1. Then, the hydraulic leaves will move. This concept is explained from the definitions of Pascal's principle, which is in a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion of the fluid and to the walls of the container.
In conclusion, we can now see that hydraulic systems are widely used in industrial control and transmission systems. Hydraulic system shows a modern way to replace levers and pulleys, as it only required a small amount of power to lift load. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.